Hi and welcome everyone. This is Daniela for HIPKITCLUB and I'm here with a new mood board inspired layout. I'm working with the November kits and I was inspired by the colors that we have in the mood board and I really love the Christmas themed colors, fresh style colors. And I start my page by using one of those chipboard sticker frames and then I want to create a soft mixed media background. I just work with the jade powders here and just mixed it up with water and apply it to my white cardstock with a common brush and I will only have tiny little bits of it at the end, so it it can look messy now because we only have tiny spots of it in the end. Okay, so now I also want to have some golden splatters here. So I mixed up some Lindy's powders here to have some shiny little sprinkles, and I also want to have some dark red sprinkles, so I also add some splashes in this color. And this is the color scheme for my page, green and red and maybe some light blue details. So you see that next to my cardstock I already have unpacked the die cuts. I really love all the exclusives of this kit, and there are so many beautiful shapes, and I love all the floral patterns, but also the cute houses and figures and all the things that we have. Okay, so the big die cut here will be placed behind my picture, and now I have to decide whether I want to use the circle or not, but I think that the circle isn't a good idea here, so I have to use it on another project. So this is one of the manufacturer's stripes, and I will just build a little paper cluster here behind my picture, and I always love having ripped edges and messy kind of style on my pages. So I just rip off the edges of the paper stripes, and this is my cluster. So a quick and easy way to have some dimension on your pages. And now I'm flipping through my die cuts here to see what things I can add. And I love those branches, and I will definitely have those on my page, and then I have to see what else I can add, because all in all I want to have an interesting cluster here in the middle of my page. So all the details will be placed on the mixed media background, and that is the big picture display then. Okay, so you see that this is a chipboard sticker, and I love those because they add even more dimension. I have this chipboard frame here, and now some chipboard stickers as well, and let's see what else I can use. I want to have two clusters here on both sides, so this is a good combination, and now I can add some ornaments. We have die cut ornaments here, we have sticker ornaments, and I just want to use some twine so that yeah, they are like hanging down from from everywhere. And I'm working with my stapler now because yeah, I want to fix it with my stapler to the different items here, and this way we have a really interesting combination of loose elements and yeah, also shiny details. And yeah, that is a nice way to use these ornaments. Okay, so now let's take a look at the chipboards again. This is so cute. I have to use this one here, and I love those red hearts. I've almost used all of them because I used them on another layout as well, but I will definitely use the ones that I have left here on my page. Yeah, you see, so now I'm adding another hanging element here, and I really like combining different shapes, and that's what I'm doing here. And the stapler again, so now I can yeah, add some more details on the other side. Here a little tiny heart sticker, and there is another one. And of course I also want to use these Vellum Stars. I really love those. They are from the embellishment kit, and I guess I used them on every single layout I made so far because I'm really into those. Yes, but I have to find the perfect place. I'm not quite sure because they might be too heavy if I put them there. So so that is the good thing, that you can rearrange all the elements before adhering them. And yeah. Now I also want to add one or two of these wood veneer stickers. They add another texture, and that is always a nice thing if you have different textures on your pages, and that is what HIPKITCLUB is perfect for. You have tons of different embellishments which you can choose from, so you've always the perfect details at hand. And yeah, that is so fun, and scrapping with these kits is just so much fun. And sometimes I would just like to lock up in my room and scrap for hours, but yeah, of course there are my daily routines which I have to cope with as well. Okay, so here those puffy stickers, I love them, and we have beautiful colors and fonts, and those stripes are also just great. I love those phrases, and I will add a few of those here and there, and then I'm almost done. But I always tend to look through all my embellishments again before calling it a day, because I often find that something is missing in the end. So I just added another sticker here, and now I also want to have some of those shiny sequins, also some tiny details, but they really make a difference. And of course the colors match all the papers and embellishments perfectly. So just a few sequins here and there, And then of course I also have to add a little journaling, and of course the date the picture was taken. And then I have my finished layout here for my Christmas album. All right, well, in the end, I added another ornament, a little jingle bell, and yeah, you see there is lots of dimension, and this is what my page looks like in the end. So there are 2 more jingle bells, and yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and have a great day, and of course have fun using your kits. Bye bye!